I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook chicken with pineapple. This delightful dish offers a fantastic balance of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors, making it a versatile meal for any occasion. We'll explore simple preparation techniques and effective cooking methods to ensure your chicken is tender and the pineapple perfectly caramelized. Get ready to transform everyday ingredients into an exciting culinary experience that's both easy and incredibly delicious for everyone to enjoy. Preparing your ingredients properly is the first step to a successful dish. For the chicken, aim for uniform 1-inch cubes or strips, ensuring it cooks evenly and quickly. If using fresh pineapple, carefully core and cut it into similar 1-inch pieces. Don't forget your aromatics, such as 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, which will add depth and warmth to your meal. When cooking, aim for a beautiful sear on your chicken. Stir-fry it in 1 tablespoon of oil for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's lightly browned. For incredible flavor, whisk together a simple sauce with 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a dash of rice vinegar. Add this to the pan, then introduce your pineapple during the final 3 to 5 minutes, allowing it to warm and slightly caramelize, infusing the dish with its sweet essence. To complete your culinary creation, serve the chicken and pineapple immediately over a bed of fluffy white rice or quinoa. A sprinkle of 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions will add a vibrant touch and a burst of freshness. For an extra layer of flavor and to perfectly balance the sweetness, a squeeze of fresh lime juice just before serving makes all the difference. Enjoy your delicious, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.